Since its bankruptcy and wind down, Amigo Loans has been paying out refunds as part of a court-approved scheme of arrangement. The final amount you receive is not a full refund of all interest and fees paid. Instead, it's a small percentage of your total approved claim. This is because Amigo does not have enough money to fully compensate all its customers. The final refund amount is calculated based on a pence in the pound percentage. Your total cash claim value, which is the amount of compensation you were determined to be owed, is multiplied by a small percentage. For example, if your total claim was valued at £1,000 and the final payout percentage is 18.51p for every pound, you would receive £185 and 10 pence. The money has been paid out in several phases, with the final payment of 6.01% paid out in April 2025. The total cash claim value that your refund is based on is a calculation made by Amigo Loans, or the scheme adjudicator, during the claims process. This value generally includes a refund of the interest and fees you were charged on the unaffordable loan, 8% statutory interest on top of that amount. This is to compensate for the time you were without your money. Your final claim value is the total of these two amounts, less any outstanding loan balance you might have had at the time of your claim. The timeline for these payments was set by the scheme of arrangement. The deadline for new claims has passed, and Amigo is now in the final stages of paying out the approved claims. The company has publicly stated that all claims have been determined and payments are being made in batches. If you are eligible for a refund, you would have received a decision letter from Amigo outlining your total cash claim value and the payment schedule. Payments were made in two parts, an initial payment and a final payment. If you had an outstanding loan, your compensation was first used to reduce your loan balance.